Hi guys, this is EJ and Samantha, and today we are going to be making Lego sets.
All right, you guys ready? Mm-hmm. Let's go. All right, looks like they're still hard at work. Samantha, what are you building?
I'm building a bed chart that you can sleep in at nighttime when you get lost.
Okay, can you hold it up so we can see it a little bit? Cool. EJ, what are you building?
A Lego Ninjago set.
Lego Ninjago set?
Yes.
All right, good job, guys. Let's get back to work. In the treasure box? All right, let's get back to work. All right, guys, so are we finished?
Yes.
All right, Samantha, tell us what you built again.
I built a bed cart that you can sleep at night.
Okay.
And you get lost and you brought this and then you can just sleep in it.
Can you hold it up and so I can see it? So you can bring it closer to the thing? Be careful, try not to break it. Hold it up a little bit. No, bring it this way. Okay, that'll be fine. I'll just zoom in that way. All right. Cool. Good job. Good job. All right, Mr. EJ.
Yes.
What do we have here, son?
A Lego Ninjago set.
A Lego Ninjago set?
Yeah.
Okay, can you hold it up and so we can see it?
There's some parts.
Okay, bring it a little bit closer to me so we can. How about I just come to you? All right, so we see, what is that?
It's the Ninja's training headquarters.
Okay, and what Ninjago characters do we have there? Hold those up for me.
Zane and Kai.
Hold on, stay, keep them still. Zane and Kai. Which one is Zane, which one is Kai?
This is Zane and this is Kai.
Oh, okay.
Zane is a robot.
Zane is a robot?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, tell me this. Why do you guys like Legos? Why are they awesome?
These are not my Legos, that's EJ.
They're Legos?
Because they're really fun to play with.
All right. So is that it?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Bye. Wait.
Bye.
Don't you forget to tell them something, EJ.
What?
About your channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like into my channel. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.